will teach you how to use the Lightbridge with the DJI 5.8G remote control system. This is the DJI 5.8G remote control system. Step 1. Remove the propellers. Step 2. Uncover the stickers on the arms. Step 3. Remove the screws. Note: keep the magnetic screwdriver away from the compass module on the landing skid. Step 4. Remove the upper shell and unplug the GPS cable. Step 5. Unplug the original 2.4G receiver servo cable. Step 6. Remove the receiver set screws. Step 7. Cut the nylon cable ties and take out the antenna. Receiver unmounting is complete. On the left side is the 2.4G receiver. On the right side is the 5.8G receiver. Next, mount the 5.8G receiver on the Phantom 2. Fasten the 5.8G receiver module. Tighten the antenna with some nylon cable ties. Thread the antenna through the preformed hole and secure it. Unplug the EXP cable to easily connect the receiver. Plug the X1 servo cable into the right side mount. Plug the X2 servo cable into the left side mount. Then, plug the EXP cable to complete the 5.8G receiver mounting. Now we will mount the Lightbridge. This is the gimbal cable. Connect it to the reserved EXP port on the central board. Thread the cable through the preformed hole on the Phantom 2 to connect to the air system. Plug the GPS cable back in and remount the upper shell. For the Lightbridge air system connection, please refer to the Lightbridge installation demonstration. Next, demo the 5.8G control link and 2.4G image link. Turn on the 5.8G remote control. Power up the Phantom 2. 5.8G remote control demo. Motor spinning control. 5.8G remote control demo. Gimbal tilt control. Connect your smartphone or tablet to the Lightbridge ground system. Press once to check the battery power. Hold for 2 seconds or longer to power up the system. Run the Lightbridge app. 2.4G image data transmission demo. Thank you for watching.